Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I thought I'd bring you along with me for a few days. I haven't got anything major planned, but I need to clean the bathroom, clean out my sewing room, so it might be a little bit of a refresh video, cleaning things up, tidying over the weekend, and also a little bit of chilling mixed in as well, because I do want to go and get some colouring books and colouring pens, so I'll bring you along with me to have a look at what they've got in the shops. And I'm thinking of getting some M&S picky bits for dinner tonight as well, so that'd be nice. My dad got me a bottle of Aperol yesterday, so I'm thinking sit in the garden, do my colouring, have some M&S picky bits with an Aperol, and that sounds lovely. It's my first weekend of no plans in a very, very long time, so I'm very happy about it. So yeah, thought I'd bring you along with me. It'll be a nice chilled vlog, I reckon, unless anything drastic changes. Here's all the colouring books that Laurie was talking about. I'm gonna get this one, because it's the one she's got. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. Yeah, I'm gonna get that one. Yeah. Lovely, thank you. It's okay, thank you. That's my ground up coffee to exfoliate with. Lovely, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. I went a bit crazy in Smith's and bought this massive basket of pens for my new colouring book. I have got some colouring books already, but I really wanted this one because Laurie was showing me it last night and it was just so lovely. Like, I love that. Those tarot cards. This is the current bathroom situation. We've had it all decorated and it looks so much nicer. We've got it green, got this new cabinet with a bit more storage space. But obviously during decorating lots of dust gets in. So basically my plan for today is just to get everything out of the cupboards, clean everything, and then restock the cupboards again, like put the towels back out, that sort of thing. Clean the floor because it's a little bit dirty. And then we'll have a lovely brand new bathroom to use this evening. Okay, so far I've cleaned all the cupboards out and put everything back into them. So that one is perfect and done. This one I've cleaned and put the towels back into. This one I've cleaned and put everything in. I've put everything into these. So this is all organised. Just hope that Laurie likes how it's organised. If not, we'll just change it around when she gets home. And now I've cleaned this surface. I now need to clean this surface, put like the toilet rolls and stuff back on and like candles and whatnot. Then I need to clean the toilet, even though it's probably clean anyway because no one's used it because it's freshly sealed. So we're just waiting for that to set properly. Then I need to clean the floor. I need to clean probably the bath area and that as well. Just put the crystals back up out there. And then I'm done. So it wasn't too... Oh, then I need to clean the radiator. It's thick dust. But yeah, it's not too much of a long job. I finished cleaning the bathroom now and I'm going to sit outside and actually enjoy the sunshine. I've got my lunch with me. I was going to clean the sewing room out today as well, but I've decided I'm going to do it tomorrow because I just checked the weather and apparently tomorrow is not as nice as today. So I'm actually just going to chill and enjoy the weather today, sit in the garden, probably do some colouring, and then tomorrow sewing room and meal prep ready for the week. Then it'll be work again on Monday. He's annoyed because I didn't give him any of my pasta. I've got the amp with me. Right then. Okay, I'm going to do this colouring first because it's one that I'm most excited about, I think. It's my beautiful new pens. There's just so many of them, 300. I've just made myself an Aperol, got some mango, and got some of those Marmite pinwheels from M&S. Treated myself to some M&S picky bits for me and my mum or whoever wants some tonight. My dad probably won't want any. Here is my finished colouring. So nice, that was so fun to do that one. I've been sat in this garden for hours. I've done 2 colourings now and I keep on just getting random pots of my M&S stuff out. So now I've started a different pot. I've got a ploughman's pot. It's actually really nice. It's got like little pickles and stuff in it. I have still got the same drink from earlier though, so it just takes me ages to drink when I'm colouring in. This is, I'll show you the colouring I just did. Just did this one, the Mermaid and Octopus Cinema. And that's my other one. And now I'm going to do this one now. This is my final colouring in for today. I'm going to go in now because it's absolutely freezing now. My hands are numb. Should we see if Doodles likes butter? Stay. Wow, you do. You like butter? Your chin's gone yellow. Good boy. You playing? Hello, horses. Look, they're watching the horses. Oh, look. Looking at the horses together. Hello. Good morning, everyone. The cleaning of the sewing room has commenced, and we're just down at the garage putting some bits in there. My dad's waiting for me. Hello. Say hello. Come on, this way. It's only a tea. He thinks that's a sweet or something. Do you think that's a ball? You funny boy. He's waiting outside Sue's house because she's got sweets. Thank you.
Thank you.
The dad's got a nice shopping trolley that he stole from Food Warehouse. Lovely. Comes in handy though. He thinks they've got sweets. Doodles, come back. Come away from the car. They've not got sweeties today.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. Good boy, stay. Okay, we have a little bit of progress. All of the cardboard boxes that are down here are out and gone, and the bin bags I've just had to shove in Laurie's room for now because it's all of her stuff from Vinted. So now I basically just need to get rid of everything off of the shelves, clean everything individually, put it all back, and then I think I might just like start like polishing and cleaning top to bottom so all like the dust falls downwards, and then obviously like hoover and clean the floor. I need to sort out this section as well. Like these drawers were put here whilst I was travelling. I just don't think we even need them. Just one pair of sunglasses. I don't think there's nothing in them, so maybe we can try and sell them. This is the current situation. The top shelf's all done. Now I just need to polish this shelf and start putting things back. I've managed to get rid of a lot of stuff as well, which is good. I'm going to try and give some bits away and sell that record player, I think. Just watching a YouTube vlog, and then I'll need to do this shelf, and then it will start looking a little bit better really. I'm so happy right now. I think I could actually cry. My sewing room is finally clean and tidy. You ready for the big reveal? Ta-da! We've got all this room to walk around. Wow. I got rid of quite a lot, to be honest, from these shelves. Just stuff I've had for years and just never use. Just so clean and tidy. I've just had everything out, everything off, everything polished and hoovered. We're selling these drawers. If you want them, message me. They were Laurie's. She bought them. They're brand new. She's never used them. It's got a mirror on the top. She bought them for £140, so they're in perfect condition. Yeah, that is it done until my dad tackles his side, which is still looking crazy, but I'm just not even touching it because it's his stuff. I now need to just water my plants quickly, and then once my dad's out of the kitchen I can meal prep for work tomorrow and Tuesday, and then I can just chill and do nothing, and I'm so excited to chill and do nothing. Cozy bath with my candles lit. This one's about to go out, I think, but it will still be cozy without it. So excited. just put my unwind oil into my diffuser. I've had a very productive Sunday. So happy the sewing room's all clean now. I'm going to put my face mask on. I've meal prepped for tomorrow and Tuesday, so that's done. My bedroom's clean. I polished and hoovered it yesterday. I've washed my bed sheets today, so they're all fresh and clean. Had a nice bath. Now I'm going to do a face mask. Sage my room, so I've got rid of any old energy and I'm welcoming good, new, fresh energy for the week ahead. So I had a lovely Sunday reset. Well, these face masks are so weird. You have to peel off like 2 sides to them. Also, everyone always says that you wait for it to like go see-through on your face, but I've never actually got to that point yet. Because look, this always happens. Oh my god, that's so annoying. Like it always falls off before it goes see-through. Don't know why. My face is very dry at the minute. But then surely if it was dry it would stick better, no? Oh god. That's better. It's probably going to last about 2 seconds before it falls off, but at least I've tried. It's a dog's life, isn't it? It's a dog's life. Good morning vlog. I'm just getting ready for work, but I had to video this because this little baby slept in my bed last night. Tired. Are you so tired? Oh, I fell off my chair. Darling. What is that on my clean bed sheets? You bleeding? What's that blood? Oh my god, oh my god, it's my finger with my blusher on it. Idiot. My fresh sheets. You tired though? I love you. Good morning vlog. I've been absolutely horrendous at vlogging this week, so it's now Friday morning. I'm working from home today. I don't think I've vlogged since Sunday, which is so bad, but I just had such a busy week with work, so I just thought I'm going to pick up the camera again and vlog this weekend. And then it's kind of, rather than spend a week with me, it's like spend 2 weekends with me basically. But as you can see, I finally got my sewing room back because I cleaned it all last weekend, so I'm feeling so happy about that. On my working from home days this week, I was able to work from here again, and it just feels so much nicer. I hated like the moving around from like downstairs, upstairs, in the garden. Like when I was working, it just didn't feel very settled and like a good routine. Now I'm back in here, it feels like a nice routine again, and I can just like sort my life out, which is ridiculous, but that's how it is when you like tidy up and sort things out. You just feel more better, don't you? Better and more productive and organised. So yeah, it's looking lovely and clean and tidy still. I do need to do a couple of alterations for myself actually. I've got a pair of trousers that are too long, and I've got another pair of trousers where the hem has undone, which is really bad because it's brand new trousers from Zara. But anyway, so I'll probably do that this weekend. And then I think I'm just going to be chilling this evening, and then tomorrow I'm going to get my hair cut. I'm going to do a Pilates class, and I'm going to meet Harriet for a walk over Hadley Castle, I think. So that'd be lovely. I haven't been there for ages, like nearly a year now. So I'm so excited to see that again because I love that walk. So yeah, just spend a nice chilled weekend again with me, I guess. I'll take you along with what I do. It won't be anything exciting, but hopefully it'll be nice and chilled. I'm going to make myself a fruit bowl and a matcha. I've got strawberries and grapes. Feeling a little bit peckish, but I'm trying to be healthy. So fruit bowl it is. These strawberries are huge. Wow. Wowza. That was 3 strawberries. It's basically the whole bowl. Because of how big they are. Okay, I've got my cup with ice. Always get stuck together. Just break it all up. Then I've got a little bit of boiling water in this mug. I'm going to put a teaspoon of matcha. I've been using this one now because Storm recommended it and it is really nice. The one I was using before was just a caffeine-free one. So it wasn't like proper matcha, it was mulberry leaf. But yeah, I'm using the Perfect Head now. Got my whisk. Whisk it up. Get your milk. I always put my milk in first. Get your matcha. I've treated myself to a vanilla syrup to have my matches with. Oh God. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Postman's here. Doodle's favourite time of day.
Here you go.
Good boy. Oh, he loves you so much. He actually knows your van now, I think. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good boy. Come in then. I've got to give him the toaster. Doodles, come in.
Is it just one or two?
I think it's just one. No, in.
You just go in my van and we just travel around. I'll just give you tricks every time.
He would love that. Doodles, come in. See you later.
Yeah,
thank you. Come in. Come in. No, come on. He's giving you one now. Don't be greedy. Nice. Aren't you lucky? Aren't you so lucky? Everyone's been feeding this fox and now she comes and sits in our drive and waits. Bless her. She knows where to get her food from, don't you? Throw it and then she might get it. Yeah. Yeah, she is. Aww. She takes it to her babies. Good morning vlog. I'm going to Pilates this morning. Oh my God. As you can hear from my voice, it's very early. Well, it's not even that early. It's 8 o'clock, but for a weekend, for me, this is very early. I like to have a lay-in on a weekend, but we're in our fitness era. Well, trying to be anyway. Health and fitness. So, got this, and then I'm going to get my hair cut after. So I'll take you along with me. I have had an absolute nightmare. So on my way back from Pilates, my phone was in my bag and my camera was in my bag and my water bottle was in there and the lid wasn't done up properly and it leaked all in my bag and completely submerged my camera in water. Like it wasn't even just like a little trickle, it was completely submerged, like it was swimming in the water. So that was great. So now it won't turn on. So I'm probably going to have to end this vlog on my phone. But I just thought I'd come on here and show you my new hair because I got my hair cut this morning straight after Pilates. So it's nice and fresh and yeah, new. I love it so much. Nothing better than a nice fresh haircut, is there? But yeah, so annoying about my camera. I'm just going to really hope and pray that the rice is currently sat in a saucepan full with rice. So I'm hoping that it dries it out and by some miracle it comes on. But for some reason I've got a really bad feeling about it. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be having a little break from YouTube for a bit. So if I am, you probably won't see me for a little while until I can afford a new camera, which is probably going to be never. No, I'm joking. It'll be ages away. Unless I get one on Klarna maybe and just pay it in 3 monthly instalments. I could do that. But it's still I'm going to have a little break from YouTube because, yeah, I don't have my camera. I guess I could vlog on my phone, but I just really don't like the quality of vlogging on my phone compared to my camera. Like my camera just feels more like a homey, wholesome vlog, whereas like your phone just feels like you're watching someone videoing on their phone, if you know what I mean. Which sounds stupid, but I know what I mean. But anyway, just wanted to show you my hair because I feel lovely and fresh for this. And let's just hope and pray that my camera's okay. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Hopefully I see you again soon. If not, I'll see you when I get a new camera.